Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a wallet in Spendee. All right. Few things to keep in mind. If you want to share a wallet in Spendee, well, you'll need to have a premium subscription, or you should be on a premium plan. Okay. And this method right here, or sharing a wallet, is ideal for couples, families, or roommates to track shared expenses and see who paid for what. Okay. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to the wallet section right here and select this specific wallet that you wanted to share. For example, I have here this excess cash wallet. I'm going to tap on it. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and go to the top right, tap on the three dots. And in here, we have the share wallet with other people option. So just go ahead and tap on it and allow Spendee right here to access your contacts. If you want to, you could go ahead and select this specific email right here or type it down manually. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and add in this person, and then I'm going to tap on the plus sign. All right. Once that's done, tap on the done button, go back. And as you can see here, it now says pending. Just tap on save changes. And the person should receive this specific email. Okay, wallet invitation. All they got to do is to register or tap on accept invitation right here. And that is it. That is how you share your wallet in Spendee. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.